officially begins with the vernal equinox, which is the day when the sun is directly above the equator. On this day, day and night are almost exactly the same length. For us, it marks a significant transition. The weather becomes quite unpredictable. We call this fickle weather because it changes so fast. You might start your walk in the sunshine and finish it in a cold rainstorm. Despite the rain, these April showers are vital for the environment because they wake up the plants after their winter sleep. In the botanical world, spring is the season of growth. Seeds that were dormant, sleeping, in the cold soil finally start to sprout. Trees that looked dead in January are suddenly covered in blossom, which attracts bees and other pollinators. This is a very important time for biodiversity. If the flowers bloom too early or too late, the insects might not have enough food to survive. For animals, spring is all about the next generation. Many birds migrate thousands of miles to return to their homes. Once they arrive, they focused on building nests and defending their territory. If you wake up early, you could hear the dawn chorus, a beautiful but competitive concert of birds singing. On farms, it is a hectic time for farmers as they manage the birth of lambs and calves. These young animals need the fresh, nutrient-rich spring grass to grow strong. The arrival of spring has a powerful effect on our well-being. Scientists believe that more sunlight increases our level of serotonin, a chemical in the brain that makes us feel happy. This is why people often feel a burst of energy, sometimes called spring fever. We also have many cultural rituals during this time. The most famous is spring cleaning, where we declutter our homes to match the fresh start happening in nature. It is also a time when people change their wardrobes, start gardening, and spend more time being active outdoors. Overall, spring represents renewal and the hope of warmer days ahead.